Naveen this side. So earlier you saw the video of Tradify. Now this video is for Vtrader. So I am a co-founder at Vtrader as well. So we were trying to connect mentors, traders, and also investors and traders. But we figured it out. We cannot do it everything in one platform. So we have built one more platform for to connect investors and traders at one place. So we have named it We Traders. So we'll explain you in detail. So yeah, this is We Trader. So this is an interesting startup which is connecting traders, a skillful trader, and an investor. So I'll walk you through the pitch and also I'll show you the MVP, how it looks, and what are the things which we have figured it out, and what makes this different and unique from other prop firms. So yeah, problem we are targeting is traders lack sufficient capital to scale and trade. Investors don't trust traders due to lack of transparency. So let's take an hypothetical example here. Let's say if there is a skillful trader and there is an investor who has money and he wants to invest with him and he wants to give the account his account, or let's say he wants to give money, but there is a scarcity of who is going to be the responsible, who is going to take the risk. And yeah, obviously trader investor will be taking the risk, but not full amount, right? He'll be taking 10% risk of the capital. But what if it goes above that? So, uh, so there is this problem which we are trying to solve through our platform. No structured way for individual collaboration, and also there is no such prop firm where individual investors can invest with skillful traders. As you can see, it's a 15 million users, like uh, almost around in forex 7 trillion turnover every day. And there are a lot of opportunities where people are very skillful in trading. It's not 2% people are successful here. That's a wrong stat. uh, the number is high, but the ratio of being consistent for longer period is less. So with risk management that can be solved. So that's what we are doing with Tradie 5 now. For V traders, simple, we are connecting traders and investors, very simple. So 90% investor trade without skill. Also investor try to trade and they lose money because of lack of time, lack of knowledge, lack of skill, because trading requires a lot of experience, a lot of time spending in front of screen. There is no replacement for human tradings. In fact, there are a lot of AI traders, bots available out there, but you cannot replace human trader, because we have made 200, 300% return in a month by just trading by ourselves. It's all muscle memory. So we cannot replace human traders. Okay. So yeah, no real time support. So there are platforms which support, but there's no support system which will help you in real time. And also there is slow withdrawals. So there are a lot of problems and there are a lot of scams happening in prop firms. So there is this thing where people, if you don't know about the prop firm, so if trader wants to trade in a prop firm, they have to pay initial fees. Let's say if you want a 50K dollar account, uh, 45 lakh in Indian rupees. Let's say if you want that amount of account, then you have to pay around $400, which is around 35,000, 38,000 rupees in Indian rupees. You have to pay. You have to pass the challenge, and then you have to take the account. Okay, I can show you here. Blueberry funded. Yeah, I can show you here. So these are the platforms. Yeah. So here you can take their challenge like this, one step, two step. So there are a lot of different thing they have, where you have to give them around 400 $50 for 50K account. So this is what, so there are many platforms like this, but we are not building something like this. We are trying to bridge between investors and traders, where individual investor can select traders and give money to them and make return out of it. So this is our vision, which we are trying to play out. The profit split we are keeping is, because investor is taking a risk, he will be taking 50% and trader will get 40 to 30% and we will make 10 to 20%. So this might vary on the turnover which we'll make. Then we have this fast withdrawal, weekly withdrawal, daily withdrawal, and so how we are going to do it. So let's understand by our MVP. So this is a investor dashboard. So what happens here is there is a marketplace where trader will list their name, their skill, and this is the key problem. Okay, let's say if you want to find out a trader, a skillful trader out there, how you are going to rate him or rate her, like how you are going to understand that this trader is a better trader to invest with. So with their past performance and past track data. So that's what we are trying to build here. Even if they blow account, even if they don't do, like if they don't perform well in their past also, that will be replicate, like that will be reflected on their profile. So that's what we'll be transparent, like what they have done in past. That's how investor can figure out, okay, this trader is better, this trader is better, he has more experience, he has more skill, he has more win ratio, win rate, and risk ratio. So this is how the marketplace will look like. You can also search by a code here. Let's say if you have a mutual trader, so you can tell that mutual trader that simply come on Vtrader, I'll invest with you on Vtrader. Why? Because that's very safe for me. And also Vtrader is taking care of the fund withdrawal and the profit split between each other. So this is what the thing which we are building. There is no such platform out there. There are a lot of copy trading platforms, but there is no such platform like Vtrader. Okay, so marketplace, and here they can manage their investments. So we have this rule where investor can invest with unlimited traders, but but the trader cannot take more than four account, because that's the rule which we have set. They can only work with four investors. So max four investors they can work with. And yeah, this is the trader dashboard. We will be having a app, user friendly app, where it will be very easy for investors. And here is the wallet where they can uh, deposit, withdrawal, understand what's going with their investment here. Okay, so here is where they can track. Also they can chat with the trader, they can have a chat on the risk ratio. They, so here is this thing, that the core thing which we are solving is risk. So let's say if a investor is investing $10,000 with Alex, so there will be a risk which will be fixed for Alex. That will be decided by their that will be mutual understanding. Like I'm going to risk 10% of your capital. So risk will be decided from the investor side, that this is the risk which I'm ready to take with this trader, and let him give the capital. And also he can decide per day risk, per week days risk, and per month risk. So accordingly we are going to manage that trader's risk. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. So we have figured out almost everything for this particular startup. uh, Trader section, I'll show you the trader section. So in trader section, we go through a trading challenge program. Like let's say if there is a new trader who doesn't have any track record or any history, so he or she can simply take trading challenges, where the trading challenge is like make 10% without losing more than 2%. So this is a quite difficult challenge where you have to make 10% without losing 2%, right? If you complete this challenge, that means you are ranked above, right? This is a challenge which is very tough for any trader. So how many attempts you took to complete this challenge. Everything will be visible on the dashboard for trade for investors to analyze what trader is doing, right? So this is how the all the analysis will be done from the investors to whom we have to invest with. Okay, and also there is a good opportunity for traders to prove their skill and their risk management to impress the investor and get invested, right? So there will be challenges, there will be multiple challenges. We have figured it out all, what are the challenges we are going to give. So they can choose any of the challenges, complete that challenge, make your ranking above, and that's how you will be in marketplace, and that's how investor will look into your profile and be very confident to invest with you, right? So they can manage their investors also, they can chat here with them, and they can split the profit split will be visible here. So we have this weekly profit split. Whatever the profit generated in that week will be split between investors and traders, and also we will get the commission out of it. So performance, what the overall performance, what he's doing, chats same, right? They can have a chat here. So we have couple of situations here where what if they connect here and they go out and they be mutual and they trade. So this is, in this case, that's not going to be happen, because the trader, it's not about connecting trader and investor. They can connect anywhere on social media, but it's about the fund management, right? The investor is investing, let's say, $10,000, and that is being distributed among different traders, and that is being managed by our team in one particular account. So that's what we are doing. This is particularly for forex. We are figuring out how to do it for Indian market and as well as for US market. So this is the startup which we are building. This is an amazing idea and very unique. You will not find such platform anywhere. You can research on it. You can go and ask ChatGPT on this. So we have figured it out almost everything, like operations, execution. You can see here, and CEO manual. What what CEO is has to be done. What CTO has to do. Also, what CFO, COO, CPO, CMO, and CLO, the legal thing. What are the legal things which we have to work on? CRO. So this is a different role. This is a risk officer, chief risk officer, which will be assigned for this company, because yeah, that's a particular thing, right? We are managing risk of investor, and also everything will be assigned. So that's how the platform will be working, and a very good scalability, as you can see here. Market opportunity forex 7.5 trillion daily, the the turnover. Okay, crypto 1.1, and product, yeah, almost we have ready with MVP. Why the risk management will work? Because let's take a hypothetical example. A trader, already there's one thing, that trader wants to prove himself and wants to get more investors and invest with him and earn money. That's one thing. Second thing is he has already proved himself that he is a good trader. Third is that we are also doing his risk management day by day. Let's say if he loses 1% of the capital, 1 hour freeze or one day freeze will be there, and it will help his psychology, and he'll make profit, he'll make loss, but at the end of the day, he'll be making profit, right? So this is how the risk management will play a role here. So yeah, the extra features we are going to provide is, also we'll provide personal mentorship, stock screener, algo trading. All these are external. Phase two, we have not think of it right now. Financial projection will be 5K users with 25 million. The turnover between the traders and the uh, investors will be 3 million revenue for us. We with this we will be reaching 750 million by 3 years. This is what we have projected, but this will be very sooner and faster by utilizing our other platform, that is Tradify, which is a marketplace, and from there we'll get the leads for this also. So yeah, so that's how we have connected both the thing. So let's say if you are interested in both the companies, we are looking for 25% of the company with 50L investment, which is 2 CR we have valued each each of the company, each of the startup. 20, if you invest 50L in Vtrader, you will be owning 25% of it. Let's say if you invest in Tradie5, you will be owning 25%. If you invest in both, you will own 25% of both by investing 1 CR. So I think this is a very good opportunity for any of the investor out there, because we are not at an idea stage. We are at a, you know, we're at a stage because uh, like already I have spent my 2 years into it, and trading since 4 years, last 4 years, and I've been mentor, I've been an investor, like I've spent my own money into it, and I have figured it out a lot of things, and this is what market need right now, and we are building it. So yeah, so this is a good startups to invest in. I hope uh, you you are interested into it, or if any of your friends, or if you know someone who is interested to invest, you can share this video to them, and please connect with us. And if you want more detailed explanation, we can meet on a coffee or something like that, and will pitch you in detail. Okay, so it's not that we are raising first time. We have spent already 1.5 CR. This is our second, like this is at a point, we are at a point where now we cannot burn our own money, because already we have exhausted by a lot of trial and error, and now this is a final product which we have reached, and the market needs it. So yeah, that's all for it, and thank you for watching till here. If you are watching till here, that means you are pretty interested into it. Please contact us and we'll pitch you in detail. Thank you.